Oh my god, it's so cool, guys. Do you see that? What is up, guys? Welcome back to this Slimeatory. Alright, guys, so today I am going to be mixing all of my unicorn putties into slime, and also I want to thank mythicalslime.com for sending me all these awesome unicorn putties. They are so amazing, guys. I like them a lot, especially because they're so cool. Like, they're so clear, they're so glittery. So thank you to them. And yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna be mixing it in slime because it just looks so amazing, first of all, when you mix it, and also I just want to see the texture it gives, because the last two times I did it in a different video, it actually became foggy even though it was clear and clear, and so that was just the weirdest thing for me. So I decided to mix all of them, and yeah. And today's like which ones me, you guys comment down below if you like putty or slime better. I like slime better. Anyways, let's get straight on into the video. Okay, guys, so here is the first one. Also, I want to mention really quick, this right here, guys, this is just from my cat. I was playing with him, so just to let you guys know. Anyways, so I have these two putties from my last video. I did mixing just store-bought putties into slime, and this is a little update. It was like 2 days ago, I think, so here's a little update for you guys. So first we have the unicorn blood. If you guys want to see me mixing it into the slime or how it looked before, just go back to that video. It was mixing store-bought slimes with clear putty, so yeah. Okay, so we have unicorn poop. I'll just do that one first, I guess. Ooh, look, it has a bunch of bubbles. You guys see that? I don't know if you can see it because it's super light. There we go, okay. Oh my god, it sounds so nice. Alright, so it's been like 2 days, I think, but it's still pretty foggy. There's still bubbles in it, so maybe there's a possible chance it might become clear again. I have no idea. It is a very nice texture. It's almost like a candle slime, guys. It's weird. Anyways, I'm not gonna poke it too much because I want all the bubbles to go away. But those are some nice bubbles on top though. Next is the unicorn dreams. There it is. This one was so bizarre and so weird when it mixed. It's crazy. I don't know if it's gonna go back to normal. Like I said, guys, if you want to see how they looked before, because they look completely different, then just make sure you go to the other video. Makes it very nice and clicky, but I don't know. All right, well, that is the update for that. We got some nice bubbles, and let's go ahead and start mixing our other ones. Alrighty, so which should we do first? I don't know. I love them so much. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do unicorn blood. So this one is a like harder putty than the other ones. It's very pretty. I really like it. It's like gold with like blackish gold. I don't know, but it's very pretty. It has also gold glitter. Oh, and this one is also super cracky, which I really like it because it's like, you know, it's a putty, and like if you go like this a lot, it like cracks a lot. It's so nice. Even more than that, but I don't want to put too much bubbles in it. So let's go ahead and get our clear glue. Let's just do a little bit of ASMR with that. Look at how beautiful. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and do it. Of course, you have to make the egg. Ta-da! Alrighty, let's do this. I love how it looks. I love putty mixings. Oh my god, that looks so cool. Is this one not gonna fog up? Because it kind of looks like it's actually mixing well. If it doesn't fog up, I'm gonna be so happy. Don't fog up, don't fog up. Oh no, I think it's fogging up. Here's what it turned into. As you can tell, it like completely changes. It's so freaking weird, guys. It does give it a really cool texture though. Like, it's hard to say. Alrighty, I guess that's it for that one. I find it so satisfying to, you know, mix the putties with the slime, but like, then it becomes that. Okay, next we're gonna do is unicorn boogers, and I have not even opened this one, so I haven't like played with it that much. This one is super pretty. This one is unicorn boogers, and it's like a clear putty with like a bunch of like, I think they're holographic, but I can't tell. Anyways, it has a bunch of gold holographic glitter, and it looks amazing. The putty is so clear, guys. I love it. Here it is. Isn't that so pretty, guys? Like, look, it's so clear, and it's actually pretty stretchy. It has a like way different texture than like normal putty, like than like the usual putty. Like this one is more of like the clear glass. I think that's what it's called, or stretchy glass. Clear glass. What kind of glass isn't clear? Anyways, here it is. I like it a lot for just like, you know, playing with when you're bored. Let's do this, guys. Of course, gotta make the egg. Beautiful egg. Can somebody please like take pictures of my eggs? There we go. Ta-da! These ones actually mix with the slime a lot more like weirder. Oh, it looks so pretty since it has like a gloss of slime over it. Oh my god, this is amazing. You guys think like maybe one of these won't fog up? Oh, is this one not gonna fog up? Maybe if I like mix it very slowly. Oh, it's getting all over my hands, guys. Okay, well this one doesn't seem like it fogged up that much. Okay, so this is how it turned out, guys. It didn't turn out that bad. I feel like this one will actually clear up, maybe. It looks really good though. Like, I actually like this one. Well, I like how all of them turn out except the other ones because they kind of just turned gray, but like these ones, they actually look pretty cool. I like them. Okay, well, I guess that's it for the unicorn boogers. Let's get on to the next one. Next one, guys, is gonna be unicorn kiss. This one is actually a temperature changing one. When it gets cold, it is purple, and when it's hot, it is pink. And as you guys can tell, it is hot right now, so yeah. This one is more of like a putty texture, like the more original putty texture. And sorry, guys, I still have like a bunch of putty and glitter on my hands. It just does not come off. A really good thing to do with this, guys, is to get some cold water and put this in there, and then just play with it with your hands, because usually your hands are warm. So I find that like the best thing to do when you're playing with these. Anyways, let's go ahead and mix it. Hey guys, do you guys think that the slime is gonna be color changing after I mix it? I wonder. Ta-da! There's my egg. What should we call it, guys? Flamingo egg? Yes. Guys, it's just me. This kind of looks like an alien heart or something. All right, let's go ahead and mix it. Watch this one become clear. That would be crazy because, like, you know, it's like not clear. Ugh, that would be insane. I wonder though if it's gonna become waxy. This one's kind of like easier to mix though. Definitely a lot easier to mix. I'm trying to make like a lot of crackalackles for you guys. Alright, well that's how that turned out. It turned out very, kind of like jiggly. I don't know if you guys understand when I say like jiggly thick. I don't know. Like, it's jiggly, but like it's very thick. It's weird. This gives like the best crackalackle. Oh, I want to see if we can make like a bubble, because it's like I said, it's like very thick, but it's super stretchy too, you know, so. Oh no, wait, okay, let me try again. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, do you guys see that purple? It's color changing, yes! When I make a bubble, it turns purple since like it's thin and then it gets cold. I completely forgot that it was supposed to be color changing. Oh my god, guys, look at it. It's gonna turn purple, watch. Okay, I'm just gonna grab this part and you guys will see. Look, it's purple. Okay, well, it'll turn pink again, but like, look at it, it's purple. Alrighty guys, we have a cup of ice cold water. I'm gonna put that in this little tin and we will make this change a different color. Oh my god, guys, look at it, it's purple. That made a mess. Oh my god, that is so pretty. I feel like it kind of like got like a little bit more pastel since we put slime in it. But like, it reminds me of Rapunzel. Oh my god, it's so cool, guys. Do you see that? Okay, this is amazing. By the way, guys, if you're gonna put any of your putty or like slime inside cold water to make it, you know, change color, make sure you be careful because it can also, like, the slime or putty can like absorb the water and make it jiggly. So if you don't want that, don't do it. Be careful, or you can do it like just a little bit. All right, well, that was very interesting. I thought that was amazing. It's just so cool to me. I don't know why, but let's get on to the next one. Alrighty, next we're gonna do is unicorn tears. I actually haven't opened this one up either. Anyways, here it is. It is so pretty. Look at how clear. Like, oh my god, wow. And it also has these little, like, big, giant, not little, I guess then, but giant sparkles. Oh my god, look at, if you put your fingerprint, it fogs it up. Look at how beautiful. Oh my god, I don't even want to touch it. Proceeds to touch it. I don't know what the heck this weird thing is, but what the heck? What is that? What is this, guys? That is so weird. I don't know what the heck that is. It's like a rock. All right, let's go ahead and get our slime. Oh, well, what kind of egg is this? Egg and egg. Inception. Eggception. Oh my God. Wonder how it's gonna look mixing, because you know it's kind of already clear. Is it just gonna turn white? This is like one of my favorite ones. They're all my favorite. They're all so beautiful. Can I just leave it like this? I wonder what would happen if I leave it like this. Okay, well that's how that turned out, guys. Not too bad. I kind of feel like this one might clear up, honestly. Or maybe not, I don't know. Does it look like there's a lot of bubbles in that, guys? What do you think? I really hope they do clear up though, guys, because like it would be so cool, like the texture and everything. Let's see the crackle-lackles. Huh. Here you go. This one feels a little bit harder than the other ones. I think it still looks really cool because like it's kind of like, it reminds me of like snow or something, you know, because it's like, it kind of has like a snow texture, I mean color. And I can see like the glitter a little bit still. I don't know, I feel like it just looks kind of cool. All right, well, I guess that's it for that one. That one wasn't that pretty because it was kind of really clear. But let's get on to the next one. Next is Unicorn Snot, and I'm sorry guys, I still have putty on my hands and it just doesn't come off, so I'm just gonna have to live with it. Anyways, this is the Unicorn Snot. Look at that. This one is like, I don't know, it kind of seems like it has a little yellow tint, but it kind of seems like it's just a glitter. I think it has like yellow glitter, and then it has those really cute sparkles. This one's really nice. Alrighty. Okay, there we go. Do that, and there's our egg. What should we name this egg, guys? Huh, shooting star? I wonder how this is gonna turn out. They all have a very similar texture, so they're probably all gonna turn out the same, but you never know, because I've had a lot of surprises happen. Like in the other video, like one of the slimes like completely hardened it, so I don't know. Like this one kind of seems like it's getting like very hard to mix. Do you guys see that? I didn't even notice while I was talking about how another slime hardened this slime. Now this slime is hardened. Anyways, here it is. All right, well, that's how it turned out. Wow. Right when I said it, right when I was like, wonder if anything's gonna happen. Okay, well, this one became very hard. I don't know, maybe I added too much putty. Maybe there's not that as much slime as the other ones, but it's definitely harder. And like more rippy, like the other ones they're not rippy. They're kind of just like really stretchy. All right, well, my favorites still are the unicorn poop, and I forgot what, I think it's just unicorn poop. I like that one a lot. All right, well, I guess that is it for that one. Let's go ahead and get on to the next one. Next one, guys, is unicorn sweat. This is one of my favorites too. My favorite is probably, I have like 3 favorites, I'm gonna have to say. Unicorn poop, unicorn tears, and unicorn sweat. And this one, you probably, I don't know if you guys can see it, but like it's super clear, but it has like these blue glitters in it that is like amazing. And like if I ever to think of unicorn sweat, this would be it, because like it's like normal sweat, but it's got like a little bit of a sparkle to it. Magic. All right, guys, here it is. We'll put that there. What kind of egg is this, guys? Eggception again. You think anything weird will happen with this one? Ooh, I don't know if you guys can see it, because like, you know, the camera might not pick it up, but like this gives it like a really cool like pearlescent look. Okay, well, it's getting really hard. Okay, that's weird. It's getting very hard. But there's a lot of crackles. Oh my god, look at how much putty there is on my hand. Like, it just sticks to my hand instead of the slime. Look at that, it doesn't come off. And it doesn't stick to the slime either. Anyways, here's how this will turn out. It just turned out kind of clear, and I can't even see the sparkles anymore because they were very light. But yeah, that's what happened. So this one's gonna be my least favorite. I wonder what's gonna happen to these slimes, guys, in like a week or maybe even a month. Maybe it's gonna take like extra time. All right, well, this one basically kind of just got like harder. It feels like the hardest one yet. I don't know what's wrong with it, but yeah. All right, guys, well, I think this was super cool because like, why does it do that? I don't know. You guys comment down below what you think it does that. And if you guys want me to do some more, I could try and find some more putties or like store-bought slimes, you know, just in general. And yeah, also make sure to check out the other video for how the other ones looked, and also it's pretty interesting. Learned a lot of things. And that's it. I love you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!